Chemistry. Gonna fail either way. Might as well go out with a bang.
Shit, that test was bad, man, I fucked it up. Messed up all the naming, it was real tough. Getting sleepy in the labs, need espresso shots. Then I finished with the 30, that test did me dirty.
Man, quit all that stressing, you got real depressing. We know you did bad, I'll teach you a lesson. You'll just need to fix it with the last exam. We'll give you a lesson, man, goddamn. Electrons taking light, they excite. It's the EM spectrum pretty tight. Forget about those orbits, now it's orbitals. We go SPDF, yeah, we logical. Memorizing something you can Google. Crazy shapes, chemists like to doodle. They call it Vesper, it's regurgitation. 109.5, don't need no recognition. Hybridization, electrons rearranging. Count the groups around the atom and your answer gon' be winning. These atoms sp3, electrons gon' be linking. And you would ace the test, but the homework ain't helping.
Don't panic, we're getting organic. Hardest subject on the planet. Mark sinks, go satanic. All the groups lining up, going alphabetic. I can tell from your face you're going manic. Alkenes started off, alkenes use with E if they don't end it off. Alkynes get real thick like beef stroganoff.
Benzene aromatic, only in a ring shape. Shinko ortho meta para configs you can't escape. All the simple groups end ane, ein. Alcohols end with all, it means adenine. Carboxylic acids and aldehydes, you can make them when you oxidize.
Now we go. My boy's exothermic, yeah we spittin' fire. All the others basic, their pH is higher. In a system, you're inert. We change up the balance, like we temperature. My boy's exothermic, yeah we spittin' fire. All the others basic, their pH is higher. In a system, you're inert. We change up the balance, like we temperature.
Experimenting, making sure the shit don't drop. So much acid might just open up an acid shop.
Suku's saying that I need to get some sleep. All the staying up, the breeder's always fucking up my body clock.
Call me Enkagen cause we are not the same. Enthalpies involved in physical change. Reaction rate picks up when a catalyst named. Increase in temperature, reaction goes insane. Outside changes in, systems messed again. Equilibrium now, balance it again. KEQ don't change, same until the end. Unbalanced K and QEQ ain't friends.
Aw, titration is back, man it's a joke. Making ice tables now, man I'm a choke. Got multiple answers, Cubics the most. Equivalence point, that buffer's toast.
Reactions going dumb. Oxidation numbers go find the sum. Oxidize and reduce and use the rule of thumb. Oxidation's loss, reduction is gain. Y'all think I'm playing, this is no game. I'm talking galvanic, yeah I mean cell. And if you don't get this man, go fail. Well, the cathode gets reduced. The anode's the one dissolving in the juice.
Now we don't know. My boy's exothermic, yeah we spittin' fire. All the others basic, their pH is higher. In a system, you're inert. We change up the balance, like we temperature. My boy's exothermic, yeah we spittin' fire. All the others basic, their pH is higher. Now we went and studied, let's go turn it up. We're not gonna pass, this gon' fuck it up.
I messed up. Your earbuds fell out of my mouth. My mouth. My mouth. My mouth. My mouth.